flowers, Violet here. Welcome back to my artistic channel. Today I am showing you how to make the letter A with Lanyard, Boondoggle, Scoubidou, however you know it as. To begin, I'm going to make the box stitch, which means that I'm grabbing two pieces of string at their midpoint and making an X over my finger. And then we're going to make two loops with the string that's on the bottom, and using this white string, I'm going to go over and under those two loops. And pet my cat for a second here. Okay, like I said, over under two loops and then pull it tight, cat hair and all. Next, I'll do a quick check, just make sure that all of my strings are the same length. And once that looks all good to go, then I'm just going to start doing the circle stitch. So for this lanyard, you can either go box stitch, zigzag, circle. It doesn't really matter what you want to do on the lengths of the letter A. For me, I'm going to go circle though. Since this letter is going to be relatively small, I'm doing 20 circle stitches, and then I'm going to do a turn. What that means is that I'm gathering this white string that's facing out towards me, and I'm just going to bring that down the side of the face, and then this white string that was behind, I'm looping it underneath the string on the right, and then like up and over. So I'm doing a circle around that one. And now I'm going to take that string that was on the right and we'll weave over that circle and under the string that we just brought directly down. And then for the string on the other side, we're just going over under. So really it's just going over under, but we moved which directions the strings were going. And now we pull it all tight. So now you'll notice that if I do the circle stitch in this direction, the lanyard is going to be 90 degrees from where I was initially weaving, or like the direction that I was initially in. So after about another 20 stitches or so, you'll see that they're starting to look pretty even on both sides. And now we just need to make the bridge to bring these two sides together and complete our letter A. To do that, I'm going to grab another two pieces of string. And these ones are maybe about like 10 inches long. They're not very long just because I know this is going to be a small part. But I'm going to make another circle stitch. So I'll start off the stitch, making the two loops, go in the over under, and then we'll pull it tight. Next, I need to put these two pieces together. So to do that, I'll do a stitch on the little lanyard, and then I'll feed the kind of leg of the letter A through that stitch. And then we'll pull it all tight and it should stay together. So let's do exactly that. I will make two loops on my little lanyard, and then I will use the purple strings to weave over and under those loops. All the while I have that letter A in between this loop and its base, or like in between this stitch and its base. So when I pull this all tight, it's really just gonna lock down. Next, I'll do about 6 stitches to make up the middle of the A before we do the same thing where we do a stitch and stick the A through it. 6 stitches later, and here we are ready for that step. So I'm going to turn the letter A on its side, and using these white strings, I will make 2 loops over that leg. And now we'll weave the purple string over and under those loops. And we will pull it tight. And I would just like to add that if you've heard a low, soft, adorable roar in the background, that is my cat 11. She's learning to make these as well. So next we're going to do one more stitch to lock everything in place, and then we're going to pull it as tight as we can without breaking the strings, and then we'll trim everything off. And voila, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, but until then, keep blooming. Bye!